One of the most talked about features of the DJI Air 3S is the potential inclusion of a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade could dramatically enhance the drone's ability to perform in low-light conditions, produce sharper images with greater detail, and offer a wider dynamic range for capturing stunning visuals. 7 amazing features of DJI Air 3S. The importance of a larger sensor cannot be overstated. A 1-inch CMOS sensor would capture more light, which is crucial for shooting in various lighting conditions. This would result in images and videos with richer details and less noise, even in challenging environments. The 48-megapixel camera debate. Another exciting rumor surrounding the Air 3S is the potential upgrade to a true 48-megapixel camera. While the current Air 3 features a dual-camera system with a 48-megapixel sensor, some users have expressed concerns about the actual resolution delivered by the camera. The Air 3S is speculated to address these concerns, offering a camera that delivers true 48-megapixel resolution, allowing for incredibly detailed stills that can be cropped or enlarged without sacrificing quality. Vertical shooting mode. A feature that many social media content creators have long desired is a dedicated vertical shooting mode. This functionality, which was notably absent in the Air 3, is rumored to be included in the Air 3S vertical shooting mode, would allow users to capture portrait-oriented content effortlessly, catering to the growing demand for vertical videos and photos on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Incorporating a vertical shooting mode would make the Air 3S more versatile, particularly for content creators who regularly produce content for social media. This feature would streamline the process of capturing vertical footage, eliminating the need for post-production cropping or rotation. Advanced video capabilities. The Air 3S is also rumored to boast impressive video capabilities, with the ability to record in 5.4K resolution at 30 frames per second FPS, and 4K at 60 FPS with a slight crop. This would represent a significant upgrade over the current Air 3, offering higher resolution and smoother video recording. Higher resolution and frame rates would allow for more creative flexibility in post-production, enabling filmmakers to crop, stabilize, and slow down footage without compromising quality. A combination of 5.4K resolution and 30 FPS would be particularly useful for capturing cinematic shots, while the 4K 60 FPS mode would be ideal for smooth, high-action sequences. Battery life enhancements. Battery life is a critical aspect of any drone, and the Air 3S is expected to deliver significant improvements in this area. While the Air 3 already offers decent flight times, advancements in battery technology and efficiency could allow the Air 3S to stay airborne for even longer periods. Extended battery life would be particularly beneficial for professional users who need to maximize their flight time to complete projects efficiently. Whether it's capturing a sprawling landscape or following a fast-moving subject, the ability to stay in the air longer would allow for more creative possibilities and less time spent on battery management. Speculations on the controller design. The design of the DJI Air 3S controller has been a subject of much speculation. While some believe that DJI might stick with the familiar and compact RC-N1 model, others suggest that a more sophisticated RC2 controller could be introduced. A built-in display on the controller would offer several advantages, including easier access to real-time data, improved flight monitoring, and the convenience of not needing a separate mobile device for live view. Pricing expectations. The pricing of the DJI Air 3S is another area of interest, with a rumor mill suggesting that DJI might introduce the Air 3S at a more competitive price point, similar to the Air 2S, which retails for $999. Introducing the Air 3S at a competitive price could position it as a versatile option in the market, appealing to both budget-conscious consumers and those seeking high-end performance. Speculated release date. The release date of the DJI Air 3S is still under wraps, with insiders speculating that it might debut around July 2024, following the timeline of the Air 3's released in July 2023. However, as with any rumors, it's essential to take this information with caution until DJI officially announces the product. If the Air 3S is released in mid-2024, it would likely coincide with the peak of the drone market's summer season, a strategic move that could maximize sales and visibility. Timing the release around major industry events or holidays could also generate additional buzz and excitement among potential buyers. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news on all things tech.